What's going on, everyone? My name is Dr. Vincent Esposito, and I'm here to help you live your happiest, healthiest, most conscious life. Now, I remember when I was a student, I developed a bunch of different health problems that I never had before. I'm talking about I put on about 25 pounds. I was struggling with fatigue and lethargy and brain fog and things I never had before. And I also developed some gut issues and actually seasonal allergies as well. And it wasn't until I dove deep into the nutrition research to learn more about this and then started employing these fundamental principles in my own life. And when I did, I became the healthiest version of myself. All those symptoms completely disappeared. And I realized if I can do it, then there's no reason you can do it too. So and we're trying to make this as easy as possible by using this meal plan. So every week you're going to get brand new breakfast, lunches, and dinners that you can employ to become the happiest, healthiest version of yourself. And we take all the guesswork out for you. So no more wondering about what you're going to make on Tuesday or Thursday or Friday, and no more worrying about putting up or coming up with a grocery list, because we have all of that done for you. So if you want to make this as simple, easy, fun, and delicious as possible, then come unlock the power of food as medicine here. I'll see you on the other side.